Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again. My name is Javi. Blessings. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up once again. Showing up for yourself. Showing up to be present. And continuing to strengthen and nurture your pure awareness and true self being. Today's actually been a very, very beautiful, pleasant day. It becomes such a magical life to just be free in your being, and you don't even have to imagine it to be nice. You don't have to be creative to be positive, to see the the good in everything. You just naturally see the good in everything. We honor our true self and divinity just simply in our awareness to be present, and we nurture each other's heart just by seeing without any veils or any conditions or any attachments. Being in the state is just the being of the omnipresent source, and being able to share this connection heart to heart so we can expand it is really where we should be really all the time. And it's not anything I'm saying we should be either. It's just referring it to just the obvious context of how we experience life. And yeah, the mind's gonna come, the thoughts are gonna keep trying to get a hold of you and direct your attention, but you have strengthened your awareness, your pure source consciousness, your isness that just is. And actually, I love doing these last couple videos in this way, in this format, where I can speak to you guys in this open space of being and actually experience the purity of our hearts, experience the purity of our love and our peace, and not have us be conversating or having a connection only in a mental me, my ego, and you, your ego. We can just get rid of that and be heart to heart and truly, truly, truly be one. And it's actually really easy to build on top of this, because your body might still need to consume energy. You still might need to shelter yourself in the house. You still might need to move through the day. And being in this state, all of us together, we can easily, without a doubt, create the solutions that best serve us, because we are on the same frequency, on the same wavelength. So it's what I'm doing for me, I'm doing for you, and what you're doing for you, you're doing for me. We're not there's no this me. There's no you. There's us. So when we have to build something, we're doing it with the intention to build for us. You know, one thing I also always observe is when I used to be this personal self, and I would observe that I would want pretty much for the world to serve me with, and I realized that it doesn't work that way. We have to align to the space where everybody, what I'm trying to say is everybody wants to be loved, everybody wants to be cared for, but it doesn't work that way in the what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't work in the way of that context. We have to align, be open, not attachment to that want and desire, and just pretty much no one's gonna want to love someone that's needy. No one's gonna want to put their attention on someone that's selfish. So when you naturally become this beautiful energy, people just gravitate to it and will serve that. Not because they're serving that, but because they see the value in you. They see the trueness in you, the authenticity in you. And therefore they start to align to that themselves. And like I said earlier, right now, there's this unification, there's this symbiotic trueness in the connection without the ego me and the ego you. It's just us, our pure consciousness, still fractalizing this body. And yes, I'm still in this body and you're still in that body, but we're not identifying as I am this body and this personal self, and you're not identifying as you're that body and that personal self. We're just identifying with not identifying. We just are, and things are just spontaneously moving along. Things are just intuitively just happening and unfolding and developing and building and growing, and it's just trusting the universe. The universe created you, me, God, or, created you and me. It knows what the best plan is, and we don't have to doubt it. So I just wanted to make another video and connect heart to heart again. Don't really have much really to say other than just to continue to make videos in this state so we can keep strengthening our being in this way. Thank you. Much love. Blessings. Namaste. All is love. Amitabah. Peace be with you. Oh.